Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two SEO tools platform, which is Ahrefs and SEO ranking. So to get started with the HTA comparison between the two platforms, help you decide which of these platforms will be a better option for you in 2025. So to get started, Ahrefs in 2025 stands out as one of the most advanced SEO site available. It offers massive backlink detail, deep keyword research, content gap analysis, rank tracking, and site audit all in one place. Agencies and enterprises love its accuracy and breadth, using it to uncover link building opportunities, track competitors, and data-driven strategies that scales. It's powerful, but its high price point makes it the best suited for those who need in-depth analytics and full leverage hit features. SEO ranking, meanwhile, has become a popular choice for small to mid-sized businesses and agencies who want a balance of features and affordability. It delivers solid rank tracking, keyword research, competitors analysis, backlink monitoring, and white label reporting in an intuitive dashboard. SEO ranking may not have Ahrefs massive link database, but it's easier on the budget and offer a plenty of actionable insight for a day-to-day SEO management. And here's the very conclusion: choose Ahrefs if you want the most comprehensive data-rich SEO toolkit. Don't mind paying for it, but pick the SEO ranking if you're looking for a cost-effective, user-friendly platform that still covers all the essentials. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Hit the turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.